So when you're working on this investigation, it asks you to, when you get to number 3, to place a box over the node for the fox species and a triangle over the node for the Canis species. Here's a tech tip on how to do that. This is a graphic, so click the graphic and you'll see this icon right here pop up. You want to click on that. And then, let me move this over so you can see. Oops, let's do it one more time. And then you want the graphic to be sent to the back so you can put things over it. So click on that, and it will pop up your text from below. That's easy fix. Just put your cursor by the 3 and hit enter to move it back down. And now you're ready to go. And so to do that, go up here to insert and go to shapes. And here you'll find your square. And once you see those plus signs, you can make your square and then you can drag it to anywhere you want over the graphic with no problem. And you would do the same thing and you can even change the color. And when you want to add your triangle, the exact same technique. Go to insert, and then you can drag it anywhere you want. But the key is to send this graphic to the background. And you'll notice anytime you get a graphic, you should have this pop up, and you have your choice of options. Okay, so this is a good tip no matter what you're doing. And if you have graphics, and in science we have graphics quite often. Hope this helps.